Alright, this question asks us to write a Python program to get the volume of a sphere. I'm going to use a function. Basically, I'm going to define a function for this, and then we need to know the formula, which is radius to the power of 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 4 divided by 3. So first, I'm going to import pi from math. So from math, import pi. After that, I'm going to define a function called volume. I'm going to pass in a parameter here, which is radius, and colon. Then I'm going to return the formula that I have here. And then I'm going to call it. So we say volume, and then it's now waiting for us to pass in a argument so we can calculate it. So I'm going to put, for instance, 3, and to do this we need to put print, and I guess we are ready. Now do you see this yellow underlines? So basically you can put another line here and then another line here, and you see that they went away. So now that we are ready to run the code, let's run it. As you see, it's 113.09 and the rest. You can also try another thing like 5, and then you see, so 523, and then I'm gonna try 6, and then you see that 904.77. And that's all about this tutorial. Pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching.